Hello everyone, very happy to see you again in my channel, and today I like to share with you how I'm actually keep my design 3D design or big stones, how I glue them in and they still shiny and they stay for a very long time. So first of all, I want to tell you, normally I prepare my 3D flowers before my clients come. I ask them what color they wanted and what design they like it. Then when they come, it's already everything ready. You have to decide which place you put your 3D flowers, and on your head understand where it's gonna be flowers, where it's gonna be stones. I file it shiny layer where it's top coat. I choose already and prepare my stones and my flowers, and I am apply wet acrylic, and on top of wet acrylic I'm straight away start to put stones and flowers when all of them wet. Why? Because when they wet, I still can play around with them. You can see I can move them. If it's one of them in the wrong place, I can move a little bit, or if I don't have enough space, I can as well move. Then on the corners I added or stones as well or flowers. I prefer 3D flowers work with. In the back it have to be pointy stones. Flat stones, flat back stones, I am normally apply already with thick base coat. How to apply stones with thick base coat, you can find it video in my channel. So now we're talking more about charms, about big designs, about 3D flowers, and about pointy stones. How you can see, I use as well flat back stones, but big one as well needs some support. What is the difference? Normally when we apply acrylic and we dip in our stone with the pointy from the back, but flat design need some support from the side. So I normally start with the stone on the middle, then on the side I support them as well with acrylic, and then I can put some flowers there. So basically it will be hold my stones. If I am in both sides, apply something. In one side it can be flower, and another side it can be stones. So always I use as well some tools for me. Not always easy to use only hands. I use or a special pen to pick up my stones, or for flowers, for example, I use some tweezers. So you can see pointy I am prepared before I am creative this design, so I know exactly where it is, and when I am apply acrylic, I am not look for it, I am just straight away pick up stone what I need before acrylic get dry. So like that I'm creative all my design. If you see it on my Instagram with 3D flowers with a lot of design, it's make save my time as well, and for client. Imagine if she's gonna sit and wait when I'm gonna creative just flowers. So basically we don't need our client to creative these flowers. So here we go, you can see it on the sides from the top and bottom. I make kind of protection for my stone, and remember, if you see it some places where it's nothing there, you can apply still some stones or some glitter. Maybe you can apply some maybe caviar. So it's up to you what you have in your drawer. I like when it's gonna be everything and too much, because for me it's never too much.